Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn how to use Meta AI. Meta AI was released sometime very recently in 2024, and this is almost similar to other artificial intelligence tool. Today we are going to be exploring them. So let's just go over to Meta AI. You can see Meta AI is an artificial intelligence laboratory owned by Meta Platforms. And the founder of Meta is Mark Zuckerberg. So this is a beautiful one. So when we click on, for you to navigate to Meta AI, you can actually go to meta.ai, just meta.ai, and you can also, it's also integrated in WhatsApp. It's also integrated in different AI tools. So this is beautiful. Like Meta is trying to have its own database, and this is beautiful. So let's explore some of the tools it can. One of the beautiful tools it can do that is distinguished from almost its competitor, which is ChatGPT and Google Band, is it can create images. So let's quickly create something, an image. Imagine, to create an image, you need to start with imagine. Imagine a boy in in the city. Imagine a boy in the city of Dubai sitting on a tree. Let's do it like this. Now, it's almost difficult for you to find somebody sitting on a tree, a boy sitting on a tree in Dubai. So let's see if its AI is so accurate to give us something. So this is it. You can see, wow, this is beautiful. Wow, you guys can see what Meta AI did. So you can see the first one it produced, very very profound. This is a tree in the city of Dubai, and you can also let us also go to the other one. The other one, you can see another one, very very profound, lovely. You can see another one. Wow, this is another one, and this is another one. So beautiful. So this is what it can do for you. It can create different images for you, regardless of anything you want. Let's also a imagine ima, imagine a dragon, in Pluto, in planets Pluto. So let's imagine flying. So I've never been to Pluto before. I don't know what Pluto looks like. So I'm just going to try it, and let's see whether Meta AI is able to give us something beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to see whether there's actually a dragon flying in Pluto. So let's even look. Wow, this is Pluto. Can you see that? Wow, this is awesome. So you can see this is what Meta AI gave us. So it gives us a dragon flying in Pluto. So ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have an idea on how Pluto is, you can see. So this is beautiful. So let us also explore other things that Meta AI can do for us. Let us also explore more things. Okay, let us go to new conversation. Help me with an assignment. Let's go to help me with an assignment, and let's see what it can do. So Meta said it'd be happy to help us with any assignment. So let's tell it to do one mathematics for us. Create a random equation of motion question and solve it using all its methods. Now I don't know what that is, but I believe this, since it said it can help us solve anything. So let's see. Wow, 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 wow. This is beautiful. That means it's actually creating. Wow. Okay, now this one is the first one. You see, it was a car accelerates from rest at a velocity of 20 meter per second in 8 seconds. Determine the acceleration of the car. Determine and see what it's doing for us. It's solving first with using equation of motion, and it's using the kinetic formula. Wow, beautiful. So you can see very, very fast. It can do almost everything for you. Now let us also go into mathematics. Create a random question from um Cauchy sequence. Cauchy sequence. Cauchy sequence. Cauchy sequence 400 level mathematics. 400 level mathematics, and solve it. So let's see if it can create a random mathematics. You know, this was one of the most hardest topic while I was studying mathematics. Not really hard, but this is just a random stuff. Wow, wow, wow. You can see what it's doing for us. This is really, really profound. You can see this stuff is really intelligent. This stuff is really, really intelligent. So you can see it can do a lot for you. Now let's also explore other methods. Let's also use it to write a copy. You know, let's also use it to write a copy. Make my email. Okay, let's use it to write a copy. Okay, create a random email copy to sell my product. To sell my product. To sell a demo product called lightning cream formula A1. Wow, 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 wow. You can see that means almost copywriters are like copywriters, they could even lose their job. Okay, he said sorry. Okay, he's trying to be very, very discreet. So let us edit this thing. You know, it already gave us the copy, but he said so let us change the product. A product um called ultimate copywriting course. So you can see it's going to create a random, it's going to create a random copy for us. Now you can use this to write your copies and all, you get. And this is just so beautiful. So this meta AI, this is some of the things it can do. Let's also see what this means. Let's check play 90s music trivia. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, now beautiful. So you can see which 1995 album, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's even tell it something. Let's say create a quiz for my copywriting students. Create a quiz for my copywriting graders from 1 to 7 with 3 options each for each questions. So let's see what this can also do for us. All right. You can see this has already is creating quiz for us. This is beautiful. It's creating quiz for us. You can see the first one. What is the primary goal of headline in copywriting? Number one, to inform the reader about the product, to grab the reader's attention and entice them to read more, to list the feature of the. We all know that the answer is number B. So, but let us check. Give me the answers. Give me the answers. Give me the answers to all these questions. Oh, question is not correct. Give me the answer to all these questions. You can see number one, it's giving us the answers already. So you can things are now very easy. Things is now, everything is easy for you now. You know, you have no excuse. You can create anything you want. You can use this to write a book. You can use this to do anything at all. And you can also see this one, learn, stimulate a mock interview. Let's see what this picture is all about. You know, wow. Let's conduct an interview. What type of job? You know, you can also use this to prepare for your interview. Very, very beautiful. You know, almost exploited everything. Yeah, except this. Create a parking list. You know, let's also explore this. You understand? So once you just, one thing about AI is that give you the right information and it will give you the right answer. So I'm just going to use this as a YouTube video. So I am going to ask it to help me imagine something. So what will I tell? I'm going to tell it to imagine imagine YouTube a YouTube thumbnail. Let's see how smart it is. A YouTube thumbnail that's that teaches Meta AI. So let's check whether it can give us a YouTube thumbnail that teaches Meta AI of a video. We did not almost write the headline well, but you know. So it is actually imagining something like this. So it is giving us this kind of stuff. So you can see teaching Meta AI, beautiful. So we can always use any of these. Wow, I think I'm going to explore. Okay, you can also tell it, can you make the images in YouTube thumbnail size. Now make, instead of saying can you make, let us just command it make. You know, need to command AI. We don't need to beg it. Need to command it and remove the question mark. So let's command it and see what it can do. Let's see, the thumbnail size is always landscape. Oh, if it doesn't work, then I'm going to say landscape. Okay, let us also say make these images in landscape size. So if it doesn't do it, then we'll know that it is not yet so much trained for you to create landscape videos. But if it does, wow, beautiful. So let's see. Wow, okay, it did not do it. It didn't do it yet, but you know, it's a very, very awesome one. The stuff has tried. So if you've learned something from this video, if you've learned something for this video, I want you to just comment. So tell me what you learned, and don't forget to follow, comment, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow, like and share. With that being said, I'll end it here.